Lexxson Android Car Radio Stereo 7-inch Capacitive Touchscreen High Definition 1024 by 600 GPS Navigation Wireless USB SD Player 1G DDR3 plus 16G NAND Memory Flash CT0011 Unit Functions, Unit Dimension, 178, Width, x102 Height x120 Depth 2 DIN 7-inch TFT Capacitive Touchscreen Android System. Super High Definition with 1024 by 600 pixel. 1.3G Quad-core CPU with 1G DDR3. Built-in 16G flash memory for music, navigation map data, video, AM/FM radio, auto memory store, preset scan. Built-in wireless 2.0 with a 2DP/hands-free, phone book. 1x front USB, 1x rear USB less than BR, front TF slot, O input. Built-in GPS receiver, compatible with Waze, Google Map etc. Back camera input BR, preset multi-X settings. Multimedia player compatibility with all format. 4x45 watts power output. 4.1 channel RCA/sub output. Array, V input. Built-in Wi-Fi. Steering wheel control. Built-in mic. Accessories, 1x car Android player, 1x GPS antenna, 1x power harness, 1x user manual. Millions of application from Google Play Store. This Android car stereo unit able to use any app you want like YouTube, Spotify. Also you already pre-installed navigation apps like Cygic, Waze, Google Maps. PS. Before you use the online apps, Plaza makes sure you have connect with Wi-Fi signal or hotspot. GPS and navigation, built-in GPS receiver module with external GPS antenna, and Google Maps app is installed as the default GPS map. Users may need to download offline map data for certain area for offline navigation if preferred. Other map, navigation apps from Google Play Store can also be installed. Size feature, this is a 7-inch screen car stereo with volume button, and the pictures showed all details about size feature. Fitting for all type of cars. Most dashboard mounting frame suppliers from North America may provide double DIN mounting frame with 174mm 98mm opening, Metra dash kit, pack dash kit, etc. An extra plastic frame is also included in the package. If the extra plastic frame not fitting your car, you may need to buy an extra installation kit. To purchase this product, link in the description.